What up, YouTube? It's OG back with another unboxing. As you can see, I'm outside in this shit. All this snow and shit. I'm out here doing a little shoveling, and the post office had dropped my package off. So I said, fuck it, why not do an unboxing out in the snow? Look at all this snow. See all that snow? Yeah. Anyway, I want to do a quick unboxing real quick. I've had all a while, I don't care. But anyway, let's get off into this unboxing real quick. Ice cold as shit. Anyway. Wow. Now these are nice. No shoebox again. Anyway. These are nice. Look at them shits. Cream with the navy blue with the bubblegum sole. Yeah, these are real slick. Got like some suede on the I hope the light picking everything up. That is nice. Let me show you the other one. Sit this box down for a minute. That's the other one. Hold tight, y'all. I don't care, that ain't nothing but water, that's snow. It's the inside of it. Tongue. They pretty slick. Alright, y'all. Thank y'all for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed already and hit that thumbs up, it's your man OG Fast T, aka TL. I'm out of here. Peace.